Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Nepal travel is probably one of the most breathtaking and culturally rich destinations on Earth, offering an unparalleled adventure for every type of traveler, from seasoned trekkers seeking the majestic Himalayas to spiritual seekers exploring ancient temples and vibrant local life. Imagine yourself standing amidst towering snow-capped peaks, breathing in the crisp mountain air, and immersing yourself in the warm hospitality of a land steeped in history and tradition. This incredible country promises an unforgettable journey filled with awe-inspiring landscapes, profound spiritual experiences, and encounters that will touch your soul, making it a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 5. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. Are you concerned about keeping your devices powered up while traveling abroad? You don't need to be. This device is a top-tier solution for your charging needs. With its direct EU plug and 4 included adapters, it's ideal for international travel, especially in Europe. Utilizing patented technology, it efficiently converts voltage from 100-240V down to 110V for your American appliances. Its conversion rate is significantly higher than competing products. This is a must-have voltage converter for powering devices like curling irons, hair straighteners, and electric toothbrushes. Just ensure your devices support dual voltage input. As the only ETL-certified brand in the converter market, it offers NRTL safety testing and upgraded hardware. It includes comprehensive protections against overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short circuits, all backed by a 24-month guarantee. With 250W output power, 4 USB ports, and 3 AC ports, you can charge up to 7 devices at once, meeting all your international travel charging requirements. Featuring a direct EU cable and 4 international adapters, UK, US, India, AU, it supports travel to over 150 countries worldwide, making it perfect for exploring iconic destinations across the globe. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for powering your American appliances abroad. If you're bringing electronics that only work on 110V, this is your must-have. It's perfect for travelers who need to charge multiple devices simultaneously and prioritize safety with its ETL certification. What people say. The trekking routes are well maintained and offer breathtaking mountain views. Local guides are knowledgeable about the terrain and culture, enhancing the overall experience. Accommodation options range from basic tea houses to comfortable lodges, catering to different preferences. Number 4. Ceptics CTU-10 Travel Adapter Plug. Introducing the Ceptics CTU-10, your perfect travel companion for India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. It's designed to keep all your essential devices powered up wherever you go. This ultra-compact adapter features both USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It accepts standard North American plugs, making it incredibly versatile. Engineered for safety, it provides a grounded connection and a high load rating, ensuring your electronics are protected. Travel with peace of mind knowing your devices are powered securely. Ideal for your cell phones, laptops, and cameras, this adapter is a must-have for international travel. Its compact size means it won't take up valuable space in your luggage. With its Type D plug, it's compatible in numerous countries including India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Stay connected and powered up on your next adventure. Designed in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this adapter is built for durability and reliability. We stand by its quality, offering a replacement if needed. What we like. This adapter is designed for modern travelers who need to charge their phones and laptops efficiently. If you're looking for a small, safe, and grounded plug for your essential electronics in India and Nepal, this is an excellent choice. Its dual USB ports make charging convenient. What people say. The trekking routes are well maintained and offer breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Local guides are knowledgeable about the terrain and culture, enhancing the overall experience. Accommodation options range from basic tea houses to comfortable lodges, catering to different preferences. Number 3. Ceptics US to India Plug Adapter, 3-pack, CT-10. Never worry about powering your devices abroad again. This adapter is your essential companion for international travel, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Crafted with the traveler in mind, this adapter is built for durability and reliability. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind for all your journeys. It seamlessly accepts both 2- and 3-prong North American plugs. This means no more struggling with incompatible outlets, just plug in and power up. Don't let its small size fool you. This adapter is incredibly compact yet powerful, designed to handle your charging needs safely and efficiently. Perfect for use in India and many other countries. It's ideal for your essential electronics like phones, laptops, and chargers. Please remember this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. Ensure your electronics are dual voltage compatible for safe and effective use. What we like. This is the perfect option if you need multiple adapters for your trip to India or Nepal. If you're traveling with a companion or have several devices that only require a plug adapter, not voltage conversion, this multi-pack offers great value and convenience. Its compact size makes it easy to pack. What people say. The trekking routes are well maintained and offer breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Local guides are knowledgeable about the terrain and culture, enhancing the overall experience. The accommodation options range from basic tea houses to comfortable lodges, catering to different preferences. Number 2. TESSAN Travel Plug Adapter Kit. Never worry about incompatible plugs again. This versatile adapter kit covers over 150 countries with its detachable Type-C, G, and D plugs, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go in Europe, the UK, India, and beyond. Power up to 6 devices at once. It efficiently converts one Type-C socket into 3 American outlets and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C port, all without blocking adjacent outlets. Experience rapid charging with dual USB-A ports up to 2.4A and a USB-C port delivering up to 3A. Its intelligent design detects your devices, offering flexible and optimal charging options for your phone, tablet, and earphones. Designed for ultimate portability, its lightweight and compact form factor fits easily into any bag. It's the perfect, cord-free travel essential, especially for cruise ship journeys. This adapter works with devices operating on 100V to 240V wide voltage. For high-power items like hair dryers or straighteners, ensure they support wide voltage or use a separate voltage converter. What we like. This adapter is incredibly versatile, covering Europe, the UK, and India with its detachable plugs. If you're embarking on a multi-country trip or need a single adapter that can handle various plug types and multiple USB devices, this is the one. It's ideal for charging phones, tablets, and other dual-voltage electronics. What people say. The trekking routes are well maintained and offer breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Local guides are knowledgeable about the terrain and culture, enhancing the overall experience. The diverse cultural experiences, from ancient temples to vibrant local markets, are truly unforgettable. Number 1. TESSAN Type D Plug Adapter for India. Never worry about charging your devices again when traveling to India or surrounding countries. This adapter is your perfect companion for international trips. This adapter is designed for use in India and many other countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, and Maldives. It's a versatile solution for your global adventures. With 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, you can power up to 7 devices simultaneously. Save time and leave extra adapters at home. The USB-C ports offer a speedy 15W charging experience, perfect for your phone and other gadgets. It also includes a USB-A port for added convenience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack in any bag. The unique 4-sided layout ensures that even bulky plugs won't get in the way. Remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. Please ensure your electronic devices are compatible with dual voltage, 100-250V, before use. What we like. This adapter is built for heavy users who need to charge many devices at once. If you're traveling with family or have numerous gadgets, this offers the most charging ports, including 2 USB-C options. It's a great choice for ensuring all your electronics are powered up in India and surrounding regions. What people say. The trekking routes are well maintained and offer breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Local guides are knowledgeable about the terrain and culture, enhancing the overall experience. Accommodation options range from basic tea houses to comfortable lodges, catering to different preferences. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.